Hey friends, hope you're all doing good today. I have a strategy that I want to show it to you guys that I use it a lot. For this strategy, we need a couple of indicators, and this strategy can be used across any asset like forex, crypto, or stocks, and on any time frames. I prefer using any time frame above like 5 minute or anything above that, like 5, 15, 1 hour. So for this example, I will be using a 5 minute time frame on a forex pair Euro USD. Let me add the indicators now. Go to indicators, type in MPA. You'll see this Madrid profit area. You need two of these indicators, one and then the second time. So we need two of them. And then the next indicator we need is MACD, regular MACD. Also, we need two MACDs for this strategy. So under technicals, you'll see this moving average, convergence, divergence. Type in select once and select the second time. So we have two MACDs. So this is all we need. And then the settings. Go to the first MPA indicator. On the first MPA indicator, keep the settings same, the fast MA8 and slow MA21. That will work. And only thing you need is change the plot background, maybe to look a little brighter. Select the steel blue and a little bit brighten that so that it'll be clear. And then on the second MPA indicator, go to inputs, change it to 34 fast MA, and the slow MA change it to 144, right? And then go to the style and change the background to red and brighten that so things will be clear. So this is all you need for the MPA indicators. And coming to MACD, we'll keep the inputs same that we have used it for the first MPA and second MPA, right? So the first MPA we had 8 and 21. So on the first MACD, we'll change the fast length to 8, slow length to 21. And then we don't need MACD and signal line, right? And then on the second MPA, same thing. We had the second MPA as 34, 144. So we'll change the second MACD to the same inputs. Fast length will be 34 and slow length will be 144. And in the style section, you don't need MACD and signal line. So that is all we need. So the strategy is we're going to wait until you see this blue cloud above the red cloud. We'll wait for the blue cloud above the red cloud for a long, and there's a kind of a gap between these two. And then at the same time, we should have the MACDs to be green. Both the MACDs should be green, right? So when both are green, you're going to go for long. So here's a good opportunity. And again, when the price comes into the cloud, when it reverses back, you can re-enter again when both MACDs are green. So this is one more opportunity. And again, you see the price coming into the cloud, and then we have a big green candle, and there's a gap between the bottom MPA indicator and also the top one, the blue cloud. Let me call these. So these are basically first MPA and second MPA, right? So 8, 21 MPA. These are just EMAs like 8 and 21. So it kind of formed a color between 8 and 21, so that the visibility and the trend is so clear for us. It's so clearly, that this is an upward trend, right? Because blue cloud is above red cloud. So this will make it easy for our immediately as soon as um, you see the chart, right? You know that it is basically uptrending, right? So always it will make you be on the right side of the trend, right? So if you see this kind of pattern, blue cloud above the red cloud, so this is pretty clear that it is basically uptrending, right? So yeah, that's why I use these two MPAs with this colored clouds. That will make it easy for us, right? So now again, we see that this blue cloud above the red cloud, but you see the MACDs both are not green. So you will not enter here, all right? So again, we have this blue cloud above red cloud here. Like for example, here we have a blue cloud above red cloud, but the MACDs are not clear. They're red, right? So we'll not make an entry there. So here the blue cloud above the red cloud, and there is a gap, and both the MACDs are green. So this is one more good opportunity, right? Here there's a red above and blue is below, but there is no gap. So we'll never take a trade in the situation, all right? Basically the trend should be very clear. So we should have blue cloud above the red cloud, and there should be some gap there, and then both MACD should be green. So we'll make a long entry there. Again, here there's a gap forming between blue cloud and the red cloud, and MACDs are green. Both the MACDs are green. We'll make another entry here. You see this? Yeah, this is another successful long entry. So we had 1, 2, like 3, 4. So when it's trending, like it's so clear for us to make entries, right? So when it's not trending, we'll never enter a trade when there is no gap between the red cloud and the blue cloud. So let's look at some short examples now. Yeah, this is a good short example. You see this red cloud on the top, blue cloud bottom, and there's a gap between them. And at the same time, both the MACDs are red. So you'll make an entry here, anywhere like this candle, maybe this candle. So successful short entry there. Okay. So another one here. So red cloud, blue cloud, but there is no gap, and eventually there's a gap forming here, and then both MACDs are red. We'll make an entry, short entry. This is one more successful short trade. Long, but here the blue is not clear, so we'll not take any trades which are not clear, right? Things should be very clear. And always make sure you are trading during the right time. Like the time you're trading, it should either be London time, or New York time. So those two time frames, you will wait for the trend to be forming, and like as soon as you see the trend forming, like this is short, you'll go for a short when the blue cloud is below the red cloud and both the MACDs are red. You'll make a successful short entry. Again, the price came into the cloud, and again you see there's a gap forming between the blue cloud and the red cloud, and both the MACDs are red. You'll make a short entry, right? So successful short, successful short, successful short, right? This is no, we'll not. When you see this, like upper cloud, upper MACD is not clear. So successful short. Okay, successful short. Both MACDs red, clouds trending down with the gap. right? This is all sideways. Again, eventually you see the trend has formed here with a gap between the clouds. This is for long, successful. Yeah, long, 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 right? So this is the strategy, guys. Simple rules. You'll wait for the trend to be forming. You will wait for the blue for longs. You will wait for the blue cloud above the red cloud, and there is a gap. And MACDs, both the MACDs should be blue for longs, like here and here, right? There's a gap, and both the MACDs should be green longs. You can just blindly take an entry. No more. You don't have to rethink. Like, it's pretty clear. The trend is pretty clear because we have so many confirmations, right? We have confirmation from the EMAs that it's trending upwards, and both the MACDs are also confirmed at the same time. So there is high chance of winning. There is no there'll be very rare, it will be very rare that the trend will be reversing, because we have confirmed through the MACD indicators, and also the EMAs have confirmed that, right? And for shorts, blue cloud below the red cloud, and there's a gap, and both the MACD should be red, right? Successful short. So that's all, guys. Try to set the same setup on your own charts and do backtest. I'm sure this strategy will change the way you trade. Things will be very clear and pretty straightforward, right? Always trading should be simple, it should not be complicated. Just follow the rules, you'll be very successful at this. Happy trading. Good luck, guys.